Something strange is happening on YouTube. We see more and more entrepreneurs getting onto the boat of YouTube to sell their products and making so much money out of it. YouTube is a new era of selling your products online. So how is it in 2025 it's easy for entrepreneurs to sell their products using YouTube? I have been on YouTube since the age of 7. And the one thing I've experienced was that it was very hard back then to get views. Until I got videos from 0 to 500 views, from then 500 to 1,000, and then 1,000 to 5,000, 6,000 views, which was the best doing YouTube video I've ever done before. And then I realized that everyone who says that YouTube is hard or is hard in the beginning is bullshitting. I understood it's not about consistency about YouTube, it's about quality. People don't like constant videos out of the same topic, talking about the same thing. Your videos are not performing well if they are bad. So create content, not to just post about stuff, post it to sell your products, but to actually help people. Changing that mindset will let you believe that you are helping them on YouTube, which then attracts those kind of people that you want as clients to buy your products, to buy your digital products, to buy your coaching. Prospects, your viewers are more likely to buy your products when they feel that you're not trying to sell to them, but trying to help them. How do you show the value in the video? How do you give people watching the video, the viewers, the value that they need at this moment? It's a very easy strategy you can implement into your videos. It's about changing the idea, reversing the idea. Viewers love hearing things they have never heard before. So give them the same techniques or new techniques, but completely different way of actually achieving them. So changing it all. And the thing is, you are an entrepreneur selling your products. You know more about your product than anyone else. You know more about your market than anyone else. You have an advantage over all the people on YouTube because most of them are fake. Most of the people are trying to be someone that they're not. But because you're an expert of what you do, you will dominate them through the value, through the information that you know. This video was getting views from 2017 to 2021. Even though it's a terrible video, it gave the value of a review of an ATM. And people loved it so much that people were watching it all the time. This is a full example of if you create a good quality video explaining what problem they have, the viewers have, people will watch and watch and watch and watch until years pass and they still be watching. It's very important to focus on the quality of the videos because once you implement that, people will watch it until the end of your time. And they will constantly get you new prospects, new warm leads, new clients that buy your product. Now, if you want to know how to use an effective call to action in your videos that gets people from cold leads to warm leads to then potential clients that buy your products, you can click the video right here to watch exactly how to do that.